Hello everyone, my name is Prachi and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is all about this winter look. It's very basic, very subtle. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first I'm using this moisturizer. This is my favorite one, Biotic Morning Nectar, and on my right side I'm using Indulgio Essential Rose Gold Oil. So this moisturizer is my all-time favorite. I apply like almost every day and this is a very crucial part of my CTM. Why I'm applying Rose Gold Oil? Because I'm using new foundation and I want to see how it's going to react with it. Gently I'm going to massage it on my skin and on my neck area. If you have oily skin and open pores like me, I would recommend to use this oil in night time rather than using this as a moisturizer in daytime. For dry skin people, this can be your best moisturizer. So next I am applying this lip balm from Biotic. Use any lip balm to have hydrated and soft lips. So next I am using this DFD shade from Kryolan Derma palette. I am using this to hide any dark spot or acne or any pigmentation on my skin, and I am going to apply this with my finger because it gives you very gentle application and definitely very full coverage. If you want, you can use your makeup brush or makeup sponge. For my pores, I'm applying Benefit Pore Professional Primer. I actually forgot to apply earlier, so now I'm applying it. I'm going to apply on my forehead, my cheeks, even my near my nostril and on my chin area. I have quite big pores. Now time is to apply my drugstore foundation. This is Maybelline Super Stay Foundation and my recent crush. It has glass bottle and my shade is 120 Classic Ivory. It's not very thick, it has little runny consistency. Right now I am taking 3 pumps, but for my full face I use almost 5 pumps. But I'm liking this foundation. It has a very mild fragrance which is almost negligible. It's full coverage and with sponge it's giving me very flawless coverage. On other side I am going to apply this foundation with brush. I'm not very happy with the brush application because it's giving me sheer coverage. So after brush, I'm going to settle my foundation with makeup sponge again. I'm very happy that finally I have my right shade. That's why I always prefer to buy from brand stores rather than buying online. If you are going to try any foundation for the first time, always go and purchase from the store. So next I am using RCMA translucent powder on my concealed area. Today I am not going to have too much powder on my skin because it's winter time and I actually want to avoid too much powder on my face. Only on my concealed area I am going to apply this powder. For eye base I am applying LA Girl concealer. This is in the shade Creamy Beige. Since I'm planning to have very quick eye makeup, first I'm going to apply my Wet n Wild liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Nice to Fuchsia. So next, with the help of flat fluffy brush, I will blend this color. Will make my crease with this shade only. Make sure that you don't take too much lipstick on your eyelids, otherwise you won't be able to blend it properly and it's definitely going to look very patchy. So now to settle my liquid base on my crease area, I'm using Morphe 35B palette and taking this light shade color and will blend over my crease. For my entire eyelid, I'm using one single color. This is Pure Pigmented Eyeshadow from the brand PAC. Number I will definitely let you know in the description box below. To complete my eye look, I'm using this Inglot gel eyeliner and with the help of pencil brush I'm applying it on my eyelash area. Here I'm not using any thin brush because it gives you a very thin line. Now I will apply my Maybelline Super Curl Mascara and offline I'll put my eyelashes. Now I'm going to dust off entire powder till now I have on my face, and off camera I'll do my eyebrows, but here on camera I'm going to show you my new packaging of Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. It has a new brush because it has spoolie now. Backside you can have full size mirror, same like old packaging. Time is for blush and these are my super pigmented blush colors. I'm applying peach and pink color together. After blush, I'm going to apply my highlighter. This is Color Essence Baked Eyeshadow. This is my all-time favorite eyeshadow. I'm using it as a highlighter. I always use it as a highlighter. I'm going to highlight my cheekbone area, my nose, my cupid bows, my chin. I'm not going to apply any highlighter on my forehead area due to open pores. And yes, brow bone area also I'm going to apply my highlighter. Little bit I'll apply on my tear duct area. To complete this eye makeup, I'm applying mascara on my lower lashes. I'm not applying any kajal or any liner to have very subtle eye makeup. So here my new purchase again. This is Daily Life Forever 52 Makeup Fixer. I heard very positive about this makeup fixer, and also this is made in Korea, so I thought to give a try once. I heard very good about Daily Forever 52 product, so this is my first purchase from them, and I bought this product from Myntra. Like other makeup fixer, it's not going to make your face wet. It's very dry on your face, and since it was my first application, I liked it. So my makeup look is almost complete. Let me give you the closer look of this foundation. I'm in love with this. I used a Maybelline Fit Me and I was very disappointed, but this foundation definitely recommend. So finally we are at end of our makeup tutorial, and I'm applying Wet n Wild Mega Last lipstick in the shade Smooth Moves. It's very pigmented, matte and long lasting. So here I am with my complete look. This is my kind of winter glow look. I hope you will like my video. If you have any suggestions, do let me know in the comments section. Don't forget to like my video and share with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. We'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care, stay healthy. Bye bye.